Free webinar training reveals how to make $3,493 commissions without doing any selling. On this training, you'll discover the exact system my students and I have used to generate $23,000,000 plus online, and how to implement this in your business. The 3 big reasons most traditional online business models fail, and the one missing piece of the puzzle the gurus don't want you to know. How to earn up to $3,493.50 commissions from one single conversion, without doing any of the selling. How to activate the 3 proven profit levers my students are using to make up to $33,078 a month, even if you've never made a dime online before. How to get high-ticket automated webinars done for you so you can generate sales as an affiliate faster and easier. Plus, how you can partner with me and simply plug into my multi-million-dollar business. Hurry, space is strictly limited. We only have limited capacity on each call, so make sure you register now. Each session will run at full capacity and there's a chance you won't be able to get in if you arrive late. Register now. Meet your host, John Thornhill. John is a ClickBank Platinum seller whose digital products have netted him over $5 million in personal profits. Since 2006, he's helped over 3,000 entrepreneurs from around the world start, or grow, their online businesses. These days, John specializes in helping freedom-focused individuals build a successful online business, even if they don't have the time to create their own products and hate selling. Register now.